Are you looking for an easy and efficient way to mine Bitcoin and Ethereum using your GPU? Whether you have a low-power or high-performance GPU, I've got the perfect solution for you. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an authentic dual mining software that can help you maximize your profits. Stay tuned as we break it down step by step. Highlighting benefits: cryptocurrency mining doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With the right software, you can mine two of the most popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, simultaneously. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced miner, this software supports dual mining, making it possible for anyone to generate crypto income with ease. Let's dive into how it works and why it's the ideal choice for your mining journey. What is dual mining? Dual mining is a method where a miner can mine two different cryptocurrencies at the same time using the same GPU. It optimizes your hardware's potential by utilizing untapped resources to mine a secondary coin without compromising the primary one. This means more earnings without needing additional hardware. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, this software ensures smooth operation and maximum efficiency. Key features of the software. Here's why this mining software stands out. 1. Dual mining support. Seamlessly mine Bitcoin and Ethereum simultaneously. 2. Wide GPU compatibility. Supports both low-end and high-performance GPUs, so you don't need the latest hardware to start mining. 3. User-friendly interface. No complex setup or coding required, just install, configure, and start mining. 4. Real-time performance monitoring. Easily track your mining efficiency. 5. Energy consumption insights. Know exactly how much power your GPU is using and calculate profitability. How to use the software, step-by-step guide. Let me show you how to get started with this software. 1. Download and install. Visit the official website and download the software for your operating system. Installation is straightforward, just follow the prompts. 2. Configure your GPU. Once installed, the software automatically detects your GPU. You can tweak settings to optimize mining performance based on your hardware. 3. Set up dual mining. Select Bitcoin and Ethereum as your preferred cryptocurrencies. The software will configure itself to mine both coins efficiently. 4. Start mining. Click the Start button, and your mining journey begins. Sit back and watch as the software mines both Bitcoin and Ethereum simultaneously. How to calculate your mining profits. Wondering how much you can earn with your GPU? This is where www.hashrate.no comes into play. 1. Visit the website. Open www.hashrate.no on your browser. 2. Enter your GPU details. Select your GPU model from the list provided. 3. Mining settings. Input the coin you're mining, Bitcoin or Ethereum, your power cost per kilowatt hour, and other relevant details. 4. Get results. Instantly see your potential earnings per hour, day, or month, and the estimated electricity cost. This tool makes it incredibly easy to understand your profitability and make informed decisions. Why choose this software for mining? This software is designed for both beginners and experts. It eliminates the complexities of mining, making it accessible to everyone. Plus, the ability to mine two cryptocurrencies at once maximizes your ROI. Combined with tools like www.hashrate.no, you have everything you need to succeed in crypto mining. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Happy mining, and I'll see you in the next video.